Namaste, I am Uma Maheshwari. I have been a Thali community health worker in Sri Ramnagar TU area in Hyderabad for the last 2.5 years. The Thali project works for TB patients and their families. Through Thali, community health workers like me supported the NTEP in identifying 3,699 TB cases. Once they are identified, we offered all support to patients to adhere to treatment and be fully cured of TB. Thali placed the TB patients and their families at the center of all its activities. I would like to share with you some highlights from Thali's story. Come join me on this journey. A major challenge faced by patients and their families is stigma from the community. To tackle stigma, the general population should have the correct information about TB and they should come forward to help TB patients and their families. A major highlight of Thali is how we worked with community structures like SHGs, youth associations, labor unions, and slum boards. We identified suitable structures and trained them. Soon, they became our extended hands on the ground. These community structures started referring people with symptoms, conducting awareness events, and supporting poor patients with nutrition. There are many stories of community structures that I would love to share with you, but let us listen to one from Sriramula Suresh from a Masons Association.
I am Sriramulu Suresh from Tapi Mestri Association in Warangal Urban District in Telangana. The Thali team wanted to educate us about TB at our monthly meetings. We understood that since our workers consume alcohol and tobacco and may suffer from malnutrition, we were all at risk getting TB and spreading it to others. We collaborated with TB Alert to screen our members and support those who have TB. We opened a health information center and invited our TDCO Dr. Mallikarjun and his team to see it. We counsel TB patients to eat proper food, take medicines and track their recovery regularly. During the COVID pandemic, we distributed groceries to families with no income. District TB officials facilitated me and I spoke at the World Lung Health Conference held in Hyderabad in 2019.
Community structures in Thali have referred 1,849 persons with symptoms. Of these, 208 were positive. Through this experience, I observed the power of community collectives. Another highlight is how Thali worked with private providers to bridge inpatient notifications. It mapped and engaged 1,144 private providers in the city of Hyderabad and trained them to adopt the national guidelines for TB treatment and care. We also developed a sputum collection and transportation system to avoid delays in testing. Dr. Alimuddin is one of the doctors who worked closely with Thali. Let us listen to his experience.
I am Dr. Alimuddin Naveed from Princess Asra Hospital, Hyderabad. With Thali project, we could successfully bridge the gap between the symptoms perceived and TB diagnosis, and similarly initiation of TB treatment and follow-up of all the cases. We could do this through 4 major activities. Number 1, linking the Ayush providers with the formal providers. Sensitization of the staff on TB services available and standards of TB care in India. Sample collection and transportation of the sample and follow-up of the presumptive TB individuals for TB testing. With this, we could address the delay in TB treatment initiation and also doctor shopping to some extent.
The next highlight I want to talk about is Thali's differentiated care approach. Do you agree that all TB patients are not alike? If so, shouldn't our responses also be unique to every patient? Thali identified 7 groups of patients who are at a higher risk than others: the elderly, those living alone, patients co-infected with HIV, drug-resistant TB patients, those with diabetes, those consuming alcohol, and patients who were irregular in treatment in the past. Using the DCM approach, I was able to plan structured home visits and counsel patients on aspects unique to their needs. Nagamani is from a high-risk category.
My name is Nagamani and I am from Bhagat Singh Nagar in Vijayawada. My husband passed away 10 years ago due to HIV and I too am HIV positive. Soon after my HIV diagnosis, I was also found to have TB. I was very depressed and it was a struggle to disclose my condition to my son as I live in his house. Gangadhar sir from Thali and Shivkumar sir, the TB health visitor, helped me to disclose my status to my son and daughter-in-law. They counseled all of us on how to manage side effects and prevent the spread. I attended patient support group meetings with my daughter-in-law and understood treatment-related issues better. The timely support of Thali staff convinced my family to support me to successfully complete the TB treatment.
Isn't their story so encouraging? We must prioritize those at a higher risk. TB doesn't just affect the body, it affects people's minds. Many believe they will die or they will be alienated by friends and family. The last highlight I would like to talk about is the TB Patient Support Group. Patient support groups are a meeting platform where patients and caregivers share their experiences, fears, and solutions with each other. During these meetings, the medical officer speaks to patients to address their concerns. This gives confidence to patients and caregivers who are struggling with treatment-related challenges. PSGs gave collective power to patients and caregivers. During these meetings, we also identified TB champions. These champions are patients or caregivers who are willing to share their personal stories and motivate others on their treatment journey. Let's hear the story of one of our champions.
My name is K. Nageshwar Rao from Vijayawada. When I was diagnosed with TB, I was very scared and my family became depressed. After repeated counseling by Thali staff, I attended a patient support group meeting at Kotapet, TU. These meetings built my confidence and helped me to complete treatment successfully. I also realized that there were many like me who were depressed and troubled. I started sharing my experience with them during the support group meetings. The TB Alert team gave me the opportunity to visit homes of patients and counsel them on stigma, treatment adherence, and nutrition. During the COVID-19 lockdown, I was able to arrange TB medicines for few patients and follow up on their treatment adherence.
Thali changed the lives of 14,350 patients and families, and it has changed me as a human being. Thank you for listening to my story. Remember, TB is fully curable, and together we can fight it.